Cuban cuisine, Ropa Vieja, braised beef, Lechon Asado, grilled pork, Frijoles Negros, black beans with spicy sauce, Tostones, fried bread. Cuban cuisine is a flavorful and vibrant reflection of the country's unique cultural heritage and history. From hearty stews and slow-cooked meats to spicy beans and crispy plantains, Cuban. One of the most popular dishes in Cuban cuisine is Ropa Vieja, which is a type of beef stew that is slow-cooked until the meat is tender and falls apart. The dish is made with shredded beef. Another popular dish is Lechon Asado, which is a type of roasted pork that is typically marinated in a blend of citrus juices and spices before being slow roasted until the meat is tender and. For those looking for a spicy kick, Frijoles Negros is a popular dish of black beans that are slow cooked with garlic, onions, and a blend of spices until they are tender and flavorful. Lastly, Tostones is a popular snack and side dish that is made from sliced and fried plantains. The plantains are sliced and fried until crispy and golden brown, and are often served with a. Cuban cuisine also has a variety of other delicious and unique dishes to explore. One such dish is picadillo, which is a type of ground beef stew that is seasoned with a blend of spices, in. Another popular dish is arroz con pollo, which is a type of chicken and rice dish that is seasoned with a blend of spices and cooked with vegetables such as bell peppers and onions. The dish. For seafood lovers, Cuban cuisine also offers a variety of delicious dishes, such as camarones al ajillo, which is a type of shrimp dish that is cooked with garlic and white wine. The dish I. Last but not least, Cuban cuisine also has a variety of sweet treats and desserts to satisfy your sweet tooth. One popular dessert is flan, which is a type of custard that is typically flavo. Cuban cuisine is also known for its street food scene, with a variety of delicious and affordable snacks and dishes available from food vendors and carts throughout the country. Another popular street food is the churro, which is a type of fried dough pastry that is often sprinkled with sugar and cinnamon. The churro is a sweet and crispy snack that is perfect for us. Cuban cuisine is also famous for its refreshing and fruity drinks, such as the mojito, which is a cocktail made with white rum, lime juice, soda water, sugar, and mint. The drink is a refers. Another popular drink is the Cuba Libre, which is a cocktail made with rum, cola, and lime juice. The drink is often served with a slice of lime and is a refreshing and easy-to-make cocktail. Cuban cuisine also has a variety of dishes that are perfect for vegetarians and vegans. One such dish is moro y cristianos, Moors and Christians, which is a traditional dish of black beans. Another popular vegetarian dish is congri, which is similar to moro y cristianos but is made with red beans instead of black beans. The dish is often served with a side of fried plantains. For vegans, Cuban cuisine also offers a variety of delicious and flavorful dishes, such as papas rellenas, which are mashed potato balls that are stuffed with a savory filling such as seitan. Another vegan dish is yuca con mojo, which is a type of boiled cassava that is served with a tangy garlic and citrus sauce. The dish is simple but delicious, and is a popular choice among low. In addition to its traditional dishes, Cuban cuisine also has a variety of fusion dishes that combine Cuban flavors with other culinary traditions. One such dish is arroz chofa, which is a. Another fusion dish is Ropa Vieja tacos, which combines the traditional Cuban beef stew with Mexican-style tacos. The dish is made by stuffing soft tortillas with Ropa Vieja, avocado, and sa.